Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, Sales Manager of K Hair Factory, and I'm back with a helpful video today. Weft hair extension damage is a problem that many of my clients face. So in this video, I will show you how to minimize weft hair extension damage. First of all, in order to minimize and control the problem of weft hair extension damage, you need to make sure that weft hair extensions you are using are in good quality. To be able to find the best quality hair extension, K Hair Factory is definitely a reputable factory that has a lot of experience in manufacturing and selling hair extensions. Now, we will move on to how to stop weft hair extension damage. The good news is that by exercising caution before, during and after wearing weft hair extensions, ladies may help to prevent this damage. First and foremost, weft hair extension must be carefully cared for in order to avoid damage. Avoid using hairspray or other hair styling product on your hair. Use conditioner if you want your hair to be nourished and healthy. The second is about applying weft hair extension. You must ask a professional to apply a weft hair extension. Keep an eye on them as they work since a new haircut that hurts and makes you dizzy indicates that hairstyle is too restrictive. Inform your hairstylist if any portions of your new hairstyle is giving you pain or discomfort so they can change it. Thirdly, you should wash your weft hair extension regularly to prevent weft hair extension damage. To maintain your scalp healthy and clean at all times, use a light, moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. Dry shampoo can be used for hair extension if it is too urgent, but please not overdo it because it can leave residues on your scalp. Last but not least, don't use heater and similar appliances too often. Like natural hair, weft hair extension can be damaged by heat. Another alternative is to style your hair without using it. And this way will help you prevent weft hair extension damage. If you have any question, don't hesitate to text me through this WhatsApp number. If you find this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.